the Kohler black oil filters, they are also 74 millimeters and 14 flutes. And that's what's important about your wrench. Just get your millimeters right. This case is 74 millimeters across the flats or the flutes. And this one does have 14 flutes or flats. So this is what you're looking for. So we'll go ahead and pop him out of there. Very nice wrench. In this model, they're even starting to round off the corners. Now, they don't all do that. I'll show you one here. But you can see how it just goes from flat to flat without any kind of a relief cut into it. Now, this does have a relief cut into it, which is pretty nice, because take a look at this. Now, the fit kind of reminds me when Snap-on started doing that decades ago, to kind of not round off the very corners. And a lot of these are not sharp anyway. They're kind of rounded, so it makes perfect sense to start doing this. But the fit is really good on these. I'll put a link in the description. This comes off Amazon. It's like $13. Not a lot of money for a really high quality filter. This is 3/8 drive. On the Kohler, so we got it covered. The black is same as yellow. The yellow is the Pro version. Supposed to change this every year or every $200, something like that. It doesn't matter because I don't put $200 a year on them. The new ones I think are rated for $300 or something like that. $300 oil change interval when paired with Kohler's Pro 10W50 synthetic oils. They have the same part number, but they look different. 255053, it's the same as this one. 255053. This one is made in India. 255053, made in India. Got its own cap on it. This one is just letting it all hang out there. No cap on it. Came like that, just upside down in the box. Still a nice filter. They feel good. They feel like they have some mass to them, some heft to them. So now, I mean, oil filter brands are all over the place. You walk in any parts house, you can see at least a minimum of a half a dozen different brands and manufacturers of oil filters. If you're heavy into commercial use and outdoor power equipment, and if you do want to stay with at least Kohler OEM oil filters, you got, well, outside of the colors, I'm looking at 4 different. They actually have 3 different models. The black one, the yellow one, Kohler Pro, and now the Kohler Pro Extended Life Oil Filter. This is just a different shade of a color. Bought that one online about 6 months after I bought this one online. So now with a single tool, you have all the versions of OEM Kohler oil filters covered. Now with these plier type wrenches, they're also invaluable, as in some filter positions in different locations, just where the filter and the way the engine may be positioned or anything, a lot of times these are the only tools that you really need to get in there. And I like to at least break it loose with these, but when I go back, I sure like to be able to go back. I just feel like I have better control with a ratchet or an extension into this. And now I can tighten up and have better feel for it. This one, I'm always afraid I'm going to damage the flutes, and you will if you're not careful. So the key takeaway here is if you get you a specific oil filter socket wrench, you're looking for 74 millimeters. That's across flats, and you're looking for 14 flats or 14 flutes. Well, I hope it helps somebody. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there, and have a good one.